heard, the governor is very interested in the welfare of the children and the people who take care of them, as he is for every resident in the state of Illinois. And I just appreciate and thank you for your dedication to everybody in the state. Good afternoon and happy Palm Sunday, yes, to those who are celebrating across Illinois. As a person of faith, I know how important these days are, as well as other important days like birthdays and anniversaries. Please know that you can still celebrate your faith and you can observe special days like today or like birthdays, but while at home. I urge faith leaders to continue hosting services online. We need and want everyone to stay home. Once this pandemic comes to an end, we'll all be able to worship as previously and celebrate our treasured milestones together. We do have to do things differently because we're fighting an enemy that we've never seen before. Today, the Illinois Department of Public Health reports 899 new cases and another 31 loss of life. This brings our statewide total to 11,256 with 274 deaths. Among those lost is a second individual from the outbreak at Stateville Prison. This individual was at a local hospital. There are currently 60 positive cases at this congregate facility. You all know, like I know, that these numbers represent people. They represent our fellow Illinoisans. We should continue to do our best and keep everyone safe by staying home, washing our hands, and physically distancing. These three simple actions can keep you and your loved ones healthy and ultimately save lives. IDPH and local health departments are working around the clock, ensuring that communities and facilities don't become inundated with cases by getting out timely education and providing technical assistance when needed. All of this so that we can flatten the curve. Much attention has been given to the data we have shared regarding the race breakdown on our webpage. About 30% of positive cases are African American. We know all too well that there are general disparities in health outcomes that play along these racial lines, and the same may be true for this virus. We have worked to ensure that all of our communities can access the health care they need as COVID-19 spreads, and we will make sure that resources are directed where they are needed most. Even before this pandemic, we have worked tirelessly to address the health disparities that exist among our Black and Brown communities. And that work to expand access to care in our underserved communities will continue both now and long after this pandemic has been conquered. I understand the safety precautions that we take and that we're asking everyone to take are unprecedented. I cannot stress enough how serious we must take this situation. Many people are complying, and to them I say thank you. To those still feeling like they have to take the entire family to the grocery store, please reconsider. There's no need for everyone to be out there because we are all at risk. I began my remarks yesterday with a plea for everyone to stay home, and today I end with that exact same plea. Stay home, protect yourself, protect your community. We will get through this together as one Illinois. And now I will summarize comments for our Spanish.